Hi guys, so welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making Arabic style mandi recipe with less ingredients, yummy in taste. In a pressure cooker, mutton 1 kg big size, big pieces, salt as per taste, zira half tablespoon, cinnamon stick 1, dry lemon 3, water 4 cups. Pressure cook for 5 whistles or until mutton tender. In a pan, oil 4 tablespoon, strain the mutton water. Salt as per taste. Soaked rice 1 cup, 1:2 ratio water. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Tender mutton is cooked. For masala, salt as per taste, Kabsa powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, oil 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Apply masala to the cooked mutton. In a pan, oil half tablespoon, optional, fry until changes color. Kabsa rice is ready. Kabsa rice is ready. For sauce, coriander, tomato 1, green chili 1, onion 1, salt as per taste. Make fine paste. Now sauce is ready. Serve like this. Fried onion optional. Roasted mutton. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.